Greetings to all my 7th standard students. On the 5th day activity, our topic is articles. The adjectives a and the are called articles. Of these articles, a and an are indefinite articles and the is called definite article. Okay, here we have two types of articles. The first one is definite article and another one is indefinite articles. Okay, we are using the indefinite article. It does not specify the person. Okay, it does not specify the person. It shows any persons or any things. When we are saying about any persons or any things, we are using the indefinite article a and an. When we are specifying the articles, we are specifying the things or the persons, we are using the definite article there. Okay, before that we are going to see the word finder in your book, page number page number 40. The first sentence: to have a coffee you need a cup. We have a scrambled word here. Okay, the first one: to drink water you need a glass. To serve a meal you need a plate. To protect the table you need a tablecloth. To clean the dishes you need a dishwasher. To spread butter on your bread you need a knife. To serve a salad you need a salad bowl. To eat a yogurt you need a spoon. Yogurt means curd. Okay. To eat a yogurt you need a spoon. Okay. Here in the reinforcement activity you have to circle the articles. The teacher writes a sentence and shows the how to circle the article. For the example sentence, Hema is upset. She is having an argument. Here the word an is an article. Okay, so you have to circle it in your book. In the individual activity, fill in the blanks with articles. For example sentence, Ronnie is in a garden. Okay. In the peer learning activity, right or wrong, the right answer, he is eating an apple is the correct answer. He is eating an apple is the wrong answer. Okay. An apple is correct. A apple is wrong. Okay. Here I give a slide for you. This is taken from the 9th standard Bridge Course module book. It shows the clear definition of the article, that definite article. Okay, let us learn it. The word the article the is used to indicate a particular person or thing. I already told where we have to use the definite article to indicate the particular person or the thing. Okay, the is used before the names of rivers, the names of seas, the names of mountain ranges, the name of group of islands. Okay, before these words we are using the article the Ganges, the Bay of Bengal, the Himalayas. Okay, and also we are using the article the names of the universal thing like the sun, the moon, the earth, the Mars. Okay, next one, names of holy books: the Bible, the Gita, the Quran, the Ramayana. Before these holy books names we are using the article the. Next one, the class or religion of people: the Christians, the Muslims, the Hindus. Okay, then before the ordinal numbers we are using the article the first, the second, the third, the last. And in the superlative degrees also we are using the word the cleverest, the best, the most beautiful. And also before the instruments, name of the instruments, the piano, the violin, the guitar, okay, like that. Okay, and now we are going to learn the omission of articles, where we have to not use these articles. Okay, here we are going to learn the proper noun. Before the proper noun, we should not use the articles. We should not use any articles. Yeah, proper noun means name, name of the person, name of the animal, name of the things. Before the abstract noun also, we should not use the articles. Okay, like friendship, childhood, humility, and then unity. Okay, before these abstract nouns, we should not use any articles. And also before the plural nouns, we should not use we should not use any articles before the plural nouns. Apples, mangoes, eggs, trees. Okay, before the uncountable noun also, we should not use any articles. And like that, subjects, maths, physics, English. Okay, next, names of the games, cricket, kabaddi. Okay, then meals, dinner, breakfast. Before these words, we should not use any articles. Okay, this is not in your book. I have taken this slide from the 9th standard book, so please refer it. Okay, here we have a worksheet. We are going to do it. Look at the pictures, then complete the sentences with A, and or D. Okay, the first sentence, Selvan gave his teacher das apple. Here the word apple is a noun. The word apple starts with the vowel sound a, so we are using the article and before that word. In the sentence 2, she is holding a pencil. Oh, okay, here the object is not specified, so she is holding a pencil. Here we are putting the article a. Okay, in the third sentence, Raja is looking at the yellow map. Okay, here the map is specifying. Map is specified here because he is looking the yellow map. Okay, the map is specified here, so we are using the article the. In the fourth sentence, Dave is listening to a song in his car. Okay, next one, Raju fell asleep in the chair. There is a fountain in the middle of the park. In the seventh sentence, Balu and Ramu are coloring X. Here we have a plural noun, X. So we should not use any articles before this word. So there is no article. In the eighth sentence, we visited the Taj Mahal in March. The special building, before the special building's name, we have to put the article the. Okay, he is running a race. Next one, she is wearing a dress. Okay, these are the answers for these questions. Please note it down in your Bridge Course book. We will meet in another activity. Thank you, students.